Hi, I'm here today to show you how to kill in the game of 63. There's a small matter of definition to deal with. We're not really, literally talking about killing. So, sorry to all the psychos, that's not what this game is about. There were instances of violence in the Welsh politics of 1960s and 1970s, but very few murders. Instead, killing is a metaphor. You can look at it as a well-timed private conversation in a back room of a pub. You can look at it as a protest. You can look at it as a major speech. You can look at it as a successful strike. You can look at it as the foundation of a strike-breaking organisation. You can look at it as a clever counsellor putting the perfect motion to destroy an opponent. You can look at it as these and any number of other things, and the limit is only your imagination. Phew, glad we got that out of the way. Now, here's how killing works in the game. Killing is one action of a 3-action turn. The pawn doing the killing must be on the same hex as the pawn being killed. The pawn that's killed goes back to its own coloured hand, like this. Because you've got 3 actions in a turn, a single pawn can kill 1, 2 or 3 opposing pawns in a turn. Like this, or like this, or like this. Great, you now know how pawns kill pawns in the game of 63. There's a couple of things we've got to clarify before you go though. First, only pawns can kill. Second, killing a pawn is different to killing a base. We've got another video about killing bases. That's here. Third, if you move, that's also an action. So if you move and then kill, that's taken 2 actions of your 3-action turn. And finally, you cannot kill your own pieces, even if you may want to. It's a game, after all, not real politics.